Sunday everyone! So today, pumunta kami ng church. We attended the church. Kasama ko si Leo and we're just waiting for Sando. Sila mama, they're going to go to church then. Later siguro mga 10 a.m. Kasi early kami nag-attend ng mass. Then, we went to McDonald's. Kasi nga, it's early, it's around 9 a.m. I think or 9:30. So,
Ay, init. Kuwata ni
si
Payong.
Leo, hindi pa siya nakakain, yung husband ko. He has not eaten yet, so he's going to order food para kainin. Pero I think, fries lang, tsaka drink. And ako, nag-order na rin ako ng ice cream. Wala lang, gusto ko lang kumain ng ice cream ngayon. And we're just waiting for order. Ito na yung order namin. We have yung fries lang, Coke, tsaka yung McFlurry na ice cream. Well, hindi maganda yung kumakain ng ice cream kung morning, but sometimes lang naman. Anyway, nandito kami sa Festive and we're checking yung Botage U ata to na Japanese resto. Chinek lang namin yung food nila kung magkano. Because we're contemplating if we're going to eat here or dun sa summer house. And parang nakokotian ako sa food nila. Tapos medyo pricey siya. Kasi katulad nito, yung meal C nila, it's 2,245 I think. Tapos good for 4 lang siya. So medyo mahal siya. So yun, we're still trying to decide kung saan kami kakain. Okay, so we're deciding kung anong cake ang bibilhin for my mom. Nandito kami sa, of course, Festive Swiss Cake Shop dito sa Festive Mall, Iloilo. So, ito yung mga cakes nila. Different flavors. Merong ube, chocolate. Ito yung mga strawberry. Meron silang Biscoff. Actually here, I'm thinking between Biscoff or yung carrot cake. Kung ano yung u-orderin. Pero, gusto ko kasi carrot. I love carrot cake kasi. Kaya lang, baka hindi magustuhan ng dad ko. So, pero, eventually, I decided na carrot cake na lang. Ito na yung carrot cake. So, we're here na sa The Summer House Restaurant dito sa Festive Mall, Iloilo. So, andito na kami sa loob at nag-order na rin kami. Hindi na namin nakakuha ng video, pero umorder na kami ng different food. Yung in-order namin, shrimp bata. Merong shrimp, fish na steam, tapos chop suey, and yung isa, fried chicken and lumpia. As much as possible, I don't want to eat fried foods kasi nagpapataas ng kolesterol, pero kapag paminsan-minsan, kumakain din naman ako. Kagaya ngayon, umorder kami ng fried food na lumpia, tsaka fried chicken. Here, wala lang, chika-chika lang muna while waiting for our food. Ito na yung food, guys. We have fried chicken, lumpia. This one is steamed fish na mga cutlets, tsaka ito hamon na shrimp at chop suey. And then rice. So, we're just waiting for my mom and dad and yung sisi ko na isa na si Rossi. Dito na ang food. Complete na yung food namin. Actually, mag-order pa kami mamaya. We're going to order pa. Additional lang na food. Nandito na yung mom and dad ko. Kakatapos lang nila magsimba. Let's let's sing a happy birthday song for my mom. Actually, yung birthday ng mom ko was last April 18, 2026. Kaya lang, pumunta sila ng Bacolod. So, hindi kami nakapag-celebrate. So, ngayon na kami magse-celebrate. Happy birthday, mom! Eto kami. We're still waiting actually. Ito yung cake. Very, very delicious. Like 10 out of 10. Ito yung additional food pala guys na in-order namin, yung pancit for long life. And right now, we're still waiting for my sisi, Rasi. Hindi pa kasi siya nakarating. So, we're just waiting for her. So, here is the milk tea of my son, Sandro. Binili niya sa Macau, which is malapit lang dito sa summer house. Eto, kasi gusto niya uminom ng milk tea today. So, we're just waiting for my sisi. Pupapunta na siya. We're just waiting for her. Naakala namin, hindi niya alam kung saan yung restaurant. So, we're trying to tell her kung saan siya. Pero, it's a prank. Alam niya kung saan and nandito na siya. So, we're going to eat na our lunch. Ito na yung mga in-order namin. Meron pala kami guys in-order na tea, green tea. We did not order na any drinks. Pero yung sisi ko, umorder siya ng mango shake. Pero kami hindi na. Ano lang, yung tea na green tea, tsaka tap water lang. Ito na yung food guys. Very delicious. Yung pinaka nasarapan ko dito yung shrimp na hamon. Shrimp na parang hamon shrimp na I think it's parang calamares pero may ham. I forgot the name but it's very delicious. Yung lumpia, 10 out of 10. Very, very delicious din. Yung cutlet ata to na steamed fish. I think it's 7 out of 10. Yung fried chicken, medyo matigas pero okay na rin. 7 out of 10. Chop suey, 7 out of 10. And yung pancit, 6 out of 10. And yun lang, parang 5 ata yung in-order namin na food. Yan. So, overall, yung dining experience namin was so great. Na-enjoy naman namin yung food. And yung carrot cake talaga, the best. The best yung carrot cake. That's all guys. Thanks for watching. God bless.